Hello. In last lecture, we are going to discuss about the basic properties, basic theorems of the Laplace transform. Also, the Laplace transform of some standard function. Okay. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss the Laplace transform of some functions. Okay. Examples on Laplace transform. Find the Laplace transform of following function. Example first. F of t is equal to f of t is equal to 3 into e raised to 2t plus 5 into e raised to minus 3t. This is your first example. We have to find Laplace transform of this. This is your f of t. Okay. Now apply Laplace on the both the side. First, this is your given. Apply Laplace. Transform. क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 e raised to minus 3t. Okay. Apply definition. Okay. Now the Laplace transform of f of t is f of s. जो हमने last lecture में देखा, this is your f of s is equal to, by using the linearity property, this 3 get outside क्या जाएगा? 3 Laplace transform of e raised to 2t plus this 5 take outside, 5 Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t. Okay, then use the Laplace transform of e raised to 80 formula. The Laplace transform of e raised to 80 आंसर क्या मिलता है? 1 upon s minus 8. 1 upon s minus 8. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 3 divided by s minus value of e is 2. Value of e is 2 plus 5 divided by the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 80. e raised to minus 80 आंसर क्या आता है? 1 upon s plus a. 1 upon s plus a. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? s plus ये value of a is 3. This is the answer. This is your f of s. This is your f of s. Okay. Now second f of t is equal to 2 sin 4t minus 5 cos 2t. Okay, we have to find the Laplace transform of this. Here f of t is 2 sin 4t minus 5 cos 2t. Okay, so this is your given. Apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform. क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 2 sin 4t minus 5 cos 2t. Okay. Then we know that the Laplace transform of f of t, this is your f of s, by using the linearity property in Laplace transform. By using the linearity property in Laplace transform, तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? Take to outside Laplace transform of sin 4t minus, बीच में क्या है? Minus 5 by using linearity Laplace transform of cos 2t. Use the linearity property. Then right answer we get these two as it is. Then the Laplace transform of sin 80. क्या था आंसर? a divided by a square plus a square. आंसर is a divided by a square plus वैल्यू ऑफ a कितना है? 4. तो क्या जाएगा? 16 माइनस, इसमें क्या है साइन? माइनस 5 into the Laplace transform of cos 80. आंसर is cos. Yes. तो क्या जाएगा? yes divided by s square plus a square, here a is 2, इसका स्क्वायर क्या जाएगा 4. Now simplify this is 2 into 4, 8 divided by s square plus 16 minus 5 s divided by a square plus 4. This is your answer. This is your Laplace transform. Okay. Now example number third. Example third. F of t is equal to f of t is equal to 5t minus 7 e raised to minus 60 plus t raised to 5 by 2. And here I will write t cube. चलेगा 5t cube minus 7 e raised to minus 60 plus 5 t raised to 5 by 2. एक इंटीजर है, एक फ्रैक्शनल है, t का पावर. ओके. Then apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform तो क्या मिलेगा? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 5t cube minus 7 e raised to minus 60 plus t raised to 5 by 2. Then separate this by using the linearity property. क्या जाएगा? This is 5 Laplace transform of t cube minus 7 Laplace transform of e raised to minus 60 plus Laplace transform of t raised to 5 by 2. Okay, by using linearity property. Then the Laplace transform of t raised to n. Laplace transform of t raised to n. आंसर क्या आता है? Laplace transform of t raised to n का gamma of n plus 1 divided by s raised to n plus 1. Correct? Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s raised to n plus 1. तो क्या जाएगा? This is 5 gamma of n plus 1. n कितना है? 3 plus 1 क्या जाएगा? 4 divided by s का पावर n plus 1 4 minus 7 Laplace transform of e raised to minus 80. Answer is 1 divided by s plus a. Here the value of a is 6 plus here the power of t is fraction. Laplace transform of t raised to n. Answer क्या जाएगा? Gamma of n plus 1. तो क्या जाएगा? n plus 1 divided by s raised to n plus 1. Correct? Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s raised to n plus 1. Now simplify this. This is 5 into gamma of n. यहाँ पे क्या है? n plus 1. Correct? n plus 1. Gamma of n plus 1 आंसर क्या मिलता है? n फैक्टोरियल. Gamma of n plus 1 आंसर क्या मिलता है? n फैक्टोरियल. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या जाएगा? 3 फैक्टोरियल. n plus 1 is 4. Correct? तो 3 फैक्टोरियल divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6 plus now gamma of n plus 1 in the form of fraction gamma of n plus 1. I will write here gamma of n plus 1. उसका आंसर क्या मिलेगा? n into gamma of n. Correct? n into gamma of n. This is formula. If n is fraction or n factorial come if n is integer. Okay. Now तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. Okay. Here n is fraction. n plus 1. तो gamma of n plus 1. n कितना है? 5 by 2. उसका आंसर क्या जाएगा? 5 by 2 into gamma of n. This is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay. Here we have used gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma of n. Here n is 5 by 2. And यहाँ पे क्या था? Gamma of n plus 1. Gamma of n plus 1 4. n क्या जाएगा? 3. उसका आंसर क्या मिल गया? 3 फैक्टोरियल. Okay. 4 divided by s raised to 5 by 2 plus 1. This is 7 by 2. Now simplify this. This 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 5. This is 30 divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6 plus this 5 by 2 as it is into this under root 5 by 2 can written as 3 by 2 plus 1. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 7 by 2. Okay. Okay, this 5 by 2 can written as 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 7 by 2. Okay, I will write here. क्या जाएगा वो? After this step, we have to simplify this. This is 30 divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6 plus 5 by 2 into, देखो यहाँ पे gamma of n plus 1, n is integer, n plus 1, how to write this? n into n plus 1, यहाँ पे n क्या है? 3 by 2, तो क्या जाएगा 3 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2 whole divided by s raised to 7 by 2 whole divided by s raised to 7 by 2. Okay, okay, here we have used gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. Now solve this. This is 30 divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6 plus 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. Then how to write this 3 by 2? This is gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. This is your 3 by 2, correct? And s raised to 7 by 2. Now again use the same formula. Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma of n. यहाँ पे n क्या है 1 by 2, तो क्या जाएगा? This is 30 divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6 plus 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, and n क्या मिलेगा? Gamma of 1 by 2 divided by s raised to 7 by 2, correct? But value of gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2 क्या मिलता है? But gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to under root pi, correct? Gamma of 1 by 2 is under root pi. Now solve this, तो क्या जाएगा वो? 30 divided by s raised to 4 minus 7 divided by s plus 6, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 3 into 15 divided by 4 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8, correct? This is 15 by 8, and gamma of this is your root pi divided by s raised to 7 by 2. This is your answer. Okay, this is your the Laplace transform of f of t. We get this is your f of s. This is your f of s. Okay. The next example, example number 4. Example number 4. Example number 4. f of t is equal to f of t is equal to 3 e raised to 4t plus 2 sin h 3t plus 6t square. Suppose this is your example. Okay, this is your example. Then क्या करना है यहाँ पे? सेम apply the Laplace transform to the both the side. क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 3 e raised to 4t plus 2 sin h 3t plus 6t square, correct? Then by using linearity property you have to solve this. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of f of t is f of s plus 3 Laplace transform e का power 4t plus 2 Laplace transform of sin h 3t plus 6 Laplace transform of t square, correct? Laplace transform of t square. Now simplify this. This is 3 into Laplace transform of e raised to at. Answer क्या था? 1 divided by s minus a. Here is 4 plus 2 Laplace transform of sin h at. हाइपरबोलिक बोल दिया तो sin a, यहाँ पे कितना है? 3 divided by s square minus a square. 3 square क्या जाएगा? 9. और हाइपरबोलिक डिवाइड में माइनस आएगा, s square minus a square plus 6. यहाँ पे n कितना है? n t raised to n, n is 2, तो क्या जाएगा? 2 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय सेम फार्मूला s raised to n कितना है? 2, तो 2 plus 1 क्या जाएगा? 3. ओके, now simplify this. This is 3 upon s minus 4 plus 2 into this 3, 6 upon s square minus 9 plus 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 6 divided by s cube. This is your answer. This is Laplace transform of this. This is your value of f of s. Okay. Now next, next 6 f of t. Here capital F is given. F of t is equal to cos bracket t minus 2 pi by 3 comma t greater than 2 pi by 3 and 0 if t less than 2 pi by 3. Okay, this is your question. F of t is equal to cos t minus 2 pi by 3. Curve t greater than 2 pi by 3, 0 t less than 2 pi by 3. Here we have to use the second shifting property. Okay, so by second shifting property, here f of t is, क्या मिलेगा? f of t, this is your capital F of t, correct? तो f of t क्या जाएगा? f of t is cos t. f of t क्या जाएगा? cos t. And value of a is 2 pi by 3, correct? a f of t minus a. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? f of t minus a. Okay, f of t minus a. f of t is cos t. Value of a is 2 pi by 3. Therefore, the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of cos of t. First find Laplace transform of f of t. We get this is your f of s. f of s is equal to Laplace transform of cos of t, s divided by s square plus 1. Correct? Here value of a is 1. Okay, s divided by s square plus 1. Okay, now Laplace transform of this capital F of t Laplace transform of this capital F of t is equal to उसका आंसर क्या जाएगा? The Laplace transform of capital F of t is equal to e raised to minus s into f of s. E raised to minus s into f of s. Okay. Now put all these values. तो क्या जाएगा? This is your here value of a is 2 pi by 3. तो क्या जाएगा? e raised to minus 2 pi divided by 3 into s into f of s is s upon s square plus 1. Now simplify this. This is your e raised to minus 2 pi by 3 s into s divided by s square plus 1. Okay. By using second shifting property, we get the answer. Okay. This belongs to second shifting property. Okay. Now next, Example number 7. Example number 7. F of t is equal to t square into sin 4t. t square into sin 4t. यहाँ पे क्या है? The multiplication by t. Multiplication by t. Okay, multiplication by powers of t बोल दिया तो भी चलेगा. By using multiplication by powers of t. By using multiplication of powers of t. Here f of t. F of t क्या है? sin 4t. Here f of t is sin 4t. First find Laplace transform of this. We get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin 4t. But उसका Laplace क्या है? f of s. sin क्या जाएगा? a divided by is 4. 4 divided by s square plus a square. This is your 16. This is your f of s. Correct? This is your f of x. Now by using this property, therefore the Laplace transform of t square into sin 4t is equal to, आंसर क्या जाएगा? here n is 2. n is 2 क्या जाएगा? minus 1 square into d by ds square of f of s. क्या जाएगा? second derivative of f of s. क्या जाएगा? second derivative of f of s. Now solve this. We get this minus 1 square. This is 1. d2 upon ds square is equal to value of f of s 4 divided by s square plus 16. Correct? Now क्या जाएगा? take 4 outside. d by ds of उसका फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा? दिस इज जस्ट लाइक 1 by s. 1 by s. 1 by s का आंसर क्या मिलता है? minus 1 upon s square plus 16 into derivative of this. तो क्या जाएगा? into 2s. Correct? We get this. Now simplify this. This 2 get outside. 2 into this is your 8 minus also outside. d by ds of s upon s square plus 16. Correct? Now use u by v rule. Use u by v rule. Minus 8 तो क्या जाएगा? u s square plus 16. Then d by ds of s. s का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा? 1 minus s d by ds of s square plus 16. This is 2s. 16 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 whole divided by s square plus 16. Correct? Use u by v rule of differentiation. क्या था आंसर? phi derivative of u. phi as it is, derivative of u is 1 minus u क्या है? yes, derivative of phi. phi का derivative क्या जाएगा? s square plus 16 का differentiation 2s. Okay, whole divided by brackets phi. This is your answer. Okay, f of t is equal to t square sin 4t. That is multiplication by powers of t. Now next example. f of t is equal to f of t is equal to f of t is equal to e raised to minus 18 minus e raised to minus bt whole divided by t. This belongs to division by t. Correct? Division by t. Now we will simplify this answer. This question. So by using division by t property. Okay, here f of t क्या है? This is your f of t here. F of t is equal to e raised to minus 18 minus e raised to minus bt. Correct? This is your f of t. Then apply Laplace. Here f of t is equal to Laplace transform of e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt. Correct? Then the Laplace transform of f of t, this is your f of s, is equal to Laplace transform of e raised to minus at minus Laplace transform of e raised to minus bt. Correct? Now the Laplace transform of e raised to minus at, क्या जाएगा आंसर? s divided 1 divided by s plus a minus उसका आंसर 1 divided by s plus b. This is your f of s. Okay, this is your f of s. This is your f of s. Now by using the division by t property, now क्या आता है? Laplace transform of f of t divided by t, तो आंसर क्या मिलता है? Integration s to infinity f of s into ds. Correct? f of s into ds. Then क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of f of t. f of t is e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt whole divided by t is equal to integration s to infinity, and the value of f of s. f of s is 1 upon s plus a minus 1 upon s plus b into ds. Correct? Into ds. ds. Now simplify this. 1 upon 1 plus x, आंसर क्या आता है? log of x. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? log of s plus a minus sin, उससे क्या जाएगा? log of s plus b. Integration upper limit infinity, lower limit s. Okay, just like 1 by x, integration of 1 by x, answer क्या आता है? log of x. Okay, now solve this. This is by using the properties of log, we get s plus a divided by, यहाँ पे क्या है? subtraction, तो क्या होगा? division, s plus b. Okay, infinity to s, upper limit क्या है? infinity. log of take s common, तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 1 plus a by s, यहाँ पे 1 plus b by s. Yes, okay. Take s common and cancel. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 1, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? a by s, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे b by s. Now put upper limit as infinity and lower limit as s. Upper limit क्या है? infinity. तो क्या जाएगा? log of, यहाँ पे infinity put किया, 1 by infinity 0. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 1. Here infinity, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 0. This is 1 by 1. This is 1 minus log of, replace s as s. तो क्या जाएगा? सेम एज इट इज मिलेगा. तो क्या जाएगा? s is s. This is your s plus a divided by s plus b. Correct? But log of 1 is 0. log of 1 is 0. This minus sign goes to the power of bracket. तो क्या जाएगा? This is reverse. This is reverse. तो क्या जाएगा? log s plus b divided by s plus a. This is your answer. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? If we put upper limit infinity, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? log of 1 minus if we replace lower limit s, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? a by s, b by s, सेम रहेगा, no change. Then take LCM, s plus a divided by s, यहाँ पे s plus b divided by s. This is get cancelled. For this purpose here, I will write s plus a, s plus b. But log 1 क्या है? 0. यहाँ पे क्या है? minus sign bracket का power, the property of log. तो a दोनों क्या हो जाएगा? reverse. log of s plus b divided by s plus a. This is your answer. Now next question of Laplace transform. Next question. f of t is equal to कैपिटल f of t दिया है e का पावर माइनस 3t into sin square t, e का पावर माइनस 3t into sin square t. Okay, here we have to use the first shifting property. Here we have to use the first shifting property. By using first shifting property, by using first shifting property of theorem, both are same. Here f of t, small f of t क्या मिलेगा? This is your e raised to minus t and this is your f of t. तो f of t क्या है? sin square t. Correct. Now simplify this. F of t is 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. This is formula of sin square t in the form of cos. Sin square का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है क्या? नहीं है. Then apply Laplace. Apply Laplace on the both the side. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? Laplace transform of f of t. यहाँ पे Laplace transform of 1/2 minus 1/2 cos 2t. Then by using linearity property, Laplace transform of 1/2 minus 1/2 common, Laplace transform of cos 2t and Laplace transform of 1 क्या आता है? 1/s. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 1/2s minus 1/2. Laplace transform of cos 80, cos 80 तो क्या आता है? s divided by s square plus ये कितना है? 2. उसका स्क्वायर क्या जाएगा? 4. Correct. This is your f of s. This is your f of s. Value of f of s. Okay. Now the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 80 into f of t. The Laplace transform of e raised to minus 80 into f of t. आंसर क्या आता है? f of s plus a. आंसर क्या आता है? f of a plus a. यहाँ पे a कितना है? Here a is equal to 3. Correct. a is equal to 3. The value of a is 3. तो क्या जाएगा? Therefore the Laplace transform of minus 3t and f of t is sin square t is equal to, in f of s is replaced by s plus a. s की जगह s plus a पुट कर दो. ये कितना है? 3. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? 1/2 s plus 3. s is replaced by s plus 3 minus 3. Okay, s is replaced by s plus 3. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? This s replaced by s plus 3. तो क्या जाएगा? s plus 3 whole divided by this s is also replaced by s plus 3. तो क्या जाएगा? s plus 3 bracket square plus 4. This is nothing but 1/2 in bracket s plus 3 minus यहाँ पे क्या है? s plus 3 here 2 in bracket s plus 3 bracket square plus 4. Okay, this is your Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t sin square t. Here we have to use the first shifting property. Okay, these are the examples of Laplace transform. Okay.